So in this one, I'm going to be showing you how to set up the AWS API keys. Click AWS right there, create a new profile, name it whatever you want. I'm going to name this one just new one. And then I'm going to sign up for AWS. I'll leave the link to sign up in the description. Once you sign up, I'll leave this link as well in the description. It'll bring you to this page, but just click access keys. Let me delete my old key. Press create new access key, show access key, and here's your keys information. In order for it to be a JSON file, which is what you need it in, you're going to need a text editor. I recommend using Notepad++ if you don't have a text editor. I'll leave the link for that in the description. You're going to want to press new. I mean, I already have a file right here, so press new, file new right there. Go to language, make sure it's a JSON right here, and then you're going to want to copy what I have in the description. It'll look a little something like this. Pull this off. Copy this right here, and then copy this part as well inside of the quotation marks. Press Ctrl S to save it. You'll go back to the program right here, select file, click it. I named it AWSKey.json. Press update, and now your API key is connected. You can choose a location from here, choose your username and password. This username and password is just whatever you want it to be. The quantity is how many you want. And then I'm just going to go with one to be basic. I'm going to press create. Give it a second. And boom, AWS API created one servers. Dismiss that and press list servers. It's going to pop up right here. So here's your proxy. You got to wait 5 to 10 minutes before testing it. Once you're done with them, press delete right here. And once you get this message, check with the dashboard of the provider just to make sure they're successfully deleted. And there you go. That's how to set up AWS.